Everyone, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. This is Deepak this side, and today we are going to start the sentence. Well, a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. A group of words like fan, car, mobile, Almira, books, board. These are also group of words, but these are not making complete sense. Here it says a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. For example, I am standing here, you are listening to me, they are playing cricket, they are resting, the sun rises in the east. These sentences make complete sense. Now, so it is clear to you what is the sentence? Now, kinds of sentences. There are basically 4 kinds of sentences. It is very essential to understand. I strongly believe that students should have clear concept with grammar. Well, the first is assertive sentence. Assertive sentences state something, means assert something. It is of 2 types. One affirmative, can also be called positive, and the other negative. So affirmative, negative, or positive, negative. Like I am teaching English, can be I am not teaching English, or she does not sing a song. In negative sentence, in negative sentence, not will surely be added, right? Like they are not coming here. The sun does not rise in the east. They do not fear. I do not tell a lie, like this. Now, second one is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are also of 2 types. One yes no interrogative and the other WH question, or the question with WH word. In yes no question, the answer will be either in yes or no, and this is framed by putting the auxiliary verb before the subject. Like I am teaching English, easily you can make am I teaching English, or does she sing a song? Same way, have you understood this? Have you understood this? You can notice here auxiliary verb has been placed before the subject. So have you understood this will be called yes no interrogative. Now the question with WH word, like what are you doing today? Nothing to worry. Simply when you learn how to frame yes no question, before that only you have to put WH word. Like are you doing today? Are you going there? So yes or no answer will be, and before that you put WH word. What are you doing today? When are you going there? When did our country become free? When will you speak a sentence? But there is one case which is not framed this way. Like when you find WHO, who. So who will be placed in the place of subject. For example, who, like she is singing a song. She is singing a song. So when you have to frame a question with who, it will be who sings a song. Like Mohan wrote a letter. Who wrote a letter? So when you frame a question with who, you don't need to place auxiliary verb before subject. Why? Because who is used in the place of subject. See here, who sings a song, who broke the chair, who went there, this way. Now, so first is assertive, 2 types, positive and negative. Second is interrogative, yes no and WH question. Third one is imperative. In imperative you have to be very careful. It is used to show command, request, advice or instruction. Like it will be framed in 2 ways. One structure is V1 plus object, means sentence will begin with V1. V1 means first form of the verb. Like open the door at once, open the door at once, stand up at once. This is a command, or you can also call it an order. Like please bring a glass of water, when please is added or kindly is added, that will be called a request. Please go there, please come here, please listen to me carefully, please ask a question if you have any doubt. Now with this you can frame advice: don't waste time watching silly cartoon movies, don't pluck flowers. This can be even prohibition. It can be used to show command, request, advice, prohibition or instruction. Yes, and the structure will be v1 plus object or don't plus v1 plus object. I repeat, go there, like go is v1, there. Write a letter, don't write a letter. Don't go there, don't waste your time, don't watch television for a longer time, don't keep late hours. Yes, so this way you can frame sentences. Now exclamatory sentences you can make with how and what. You need to understand the concept here also. When you frame an exclamatory sentences, actually exclamatory sentences are used to show some strong feelings. Like when you frame a sentence with how, after how you will use an adjective. Yes, after how you will use an adjective, and after what there will be an article. That is the basic difference. Like how beautiful a butterfly it is and what a beautiful butterfly it is. Like what a nice pen. What a nice pen, how nice a pen it is. So this way we have covered the entire chapter. Once again, let's have a recap. Sentences, the sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense, right? He writes a letter, he goes to school, I play cricket. It is of 4 types: assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Assertive is a 2 type, positive and negative, like she is playing cricket, she is not playing cricket. Is she playing cricket? Where is she playing? Yes, come here. Don't pluck flowers, maybe prohibition, or maybe we can give some suggestions. Yes, and exclamatory sentences to show strong feelings, like how nice the class it is, what a nice class it is. So this way I'm pretty sure you must be able to understand and you will not make any errors in the sentence. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.